What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to post Instagram stories from your laptop device. Let's say I'm trying to add a story in here by tapping on plus and then create. We do have post and then AI, but we do not have story option. Even if you come here to the top, you do not have an option in here to actually upload a story. But I'm going to show you how you can actually upload an Instagram story here to your IG. I hope Instagram actually fixes this as soon as possible because it's a bug. It only allows us to post posts from our laptop, but I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. So the very first thing you need to do is, of course, have Google Chrome installed. If you do not have Google Chrome, just download it from Google and get it installed, because I'm going to show you how to do it on your Google Chrome browser. So as soon as you log in into Instagram.com from your Google Chrome, you're going to tap here on the top right corner, three dots, and then you want to scroll down all the way to more tools. Okay, we do have more tools down here, and then you're going to tap on developer tools. You'll be able to see a new window popping up in here, which will show you a bunch of codes. Now, do not get worried. These are just programming coding that you actually do not need to worry about, because we won't be doing any sort of programming in here. We're just opening this to get to a specific point. Now, be careful. Do not mess around with any code in here. Otherwise, you may mess around with something in here dealing with your Instagram display and visual, right? So once you're here, you want to tap on this icon in here, right next close to elements, this icon in here. So tap once and this will change your view to a mobile view, as you can see. So we're basically looking at the Instagram now in the mobile view. Previously, we were in PC view by default because we actually went into Instagram.com using our laptop. Now we're going to close this window that allows us to edit stuff, and then we're going to simply tap on refresh to refresh the page. In no time, our Instagram will be refreshed. So we didn't work. Let's do it one more time. Three dots, and then we do have in here more tools, developer options, and then we do have in here these options. So tap one more time on it, and now simply refresh the page while this is actually opening here. You'll be able to see that the mobile view now will take effect and will start launching. In no time, here we go, boom, we now have the mobile view. Let me tap on OK. Okay, let me just tap on X real quick. And now you do have the option to upload in here a story. If I tap on plus, I now have the option to select in here manually a file, which is an image in that case, and I'm going to tap on open, and this will actually upload into my Instagram account. So this is how easy you can actually upload stories from your laptop in here by using this small workaround in here. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, as it really helps me out. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.